we're just throwing unused food to some possums.
Now, is he gonna like the ham and cheese?
Oh, he might do. Oh, oh, hello. He almost went for that.
We're gonna go to the Tex-Mex restaurant now.
I thought we were going to the Mediterranean.
That's tonight.
Oh, okay. We want ribs, don't we?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna get like a big fuck off burger. Yay!
Oh, he just shaked off the rain. Look, he's so cute. I want him to climb up here.
I doubt he will. Again.
Is that good?
Oh, it's almost there. So, change of plan. We're not allowed into the Tex-Mex because we're not hideaway guests, whatever that means.
Even though we can go later on if we want to.
We can go there for dinner, just not lunch, which is weird.
Yeah.
So we're going to go to the sports bar instead, and I'm going to get a big fuck off burger.
Sounds good to me.
Bye. So we've just had dinner. We come upstairs and there's weird, crazy Indian dancers. My face. Not going to be happy.
Just dive like that, not like that.
No, because that's a belly flop.
Do you want me to show you how to do them?
No. It's a bit closer now. Stand over there. Why do you always ruin it?
Might just throw you to Todd while I order my drink.
Why is she throwing you around? Anyway guys, we are finally in the pool after 6 minutes of fucking around. And we're gonna get a drink, so see you guys in a bit.
Y también, what you want?
Strawberry daiquiri.
Y un daiquiri de fresa.
We're tired now. These days are long. We were going to the nature park, but it was thunderstorming this morning. Didn't stop until about 3:30. So we decided not to. We're doing that tomorrow instead. But never mind. So we're going to go back to the room, have a nap for dinner. I think we're going for Mediterranean tonight. So we'll catch you guys in a bit. So everybody, we've come to the Mediterranean restaurant tonight. One of the 7 different restaurants they have in this hotel. And they're all top fucking quality, aren't they? Yeah, they're all really fucking good. So, I'm not sure what kind of food they do. Do you have any idea?
I think they do a bit of Moroccan, that's my favourite.
What is Moroccan food?
Chicken and rice, basically, in like a stewy.
Okay. So we're going to have chicken and rice and a stew thing, so we'll see you in a bit.
So it's 7:30 here this morning, and we're heading to get some breakfast before we go to the amazing eco park here in Mexico. What's it called, Todd?
Xcaret.
Xcaret, I can't say it. So yeah, hope you're excited to see lots of cool footage. Dad, I'm thinking of you. It's Father's Day. Red wine's playing in the breakfast place. I'm having a café con leche. Wishing you were here.
Go to Xcaret. This is the bus. And we're almost done the entire 45 minutes lazy river.
That would have been a bad angle.
So, Mr. Parrot, what's your best fitness tip? Good idea. Bridge time. Putting jean shorts on probably wasn't the best decision, considering it's like 30 degrees and we're in a rainforest. Ellie, if you drop that, your mum's going to kill you. Gonna drop her phone down here, and she will do it because she's a liability.
Mira, mira qué linda.
Keeping 1 minute of silence with our hearts full of hope, harmony.
On the sea in the Caribbean. Caribbean. Bye. Some bitches. So, here out in the Mexican Caribbean Ocean, and I know it's a bit late, but I just want to say Happy Father's Day to Tony James, who's been an absolute legend from day one. Not that I can remember day one, but I know he's been like a dad to me and a dad to, well, all of my cousins really, and his, obviously. But I just want to say thank you for being there, Grandad, and I love you, and I wish you were here. See you in a bit. The hottest and warmest and sunniest day in Mexico that we've had in our entire week-long stay. So much so, right, that I managed to get this burnt in a total of about 4 hours in the sun. And Ellie just, yeah, she fucked it too. Wasn't good. So now we're going to spend an hour or so, we're going to go get some ice cream in the shade. Ellie's going to try and fix her tan lines later on in the sun. I think it's a bad idea because she'll just get more burnt, but she's not going to listen to me.
Definitely not.
Definitely not, no, didn't think so. So that's an update on what we've done. Have not been to the gym today because I'm not going to the gym. I refuse to go to the gym when it's this nice a day and we've had thunderstorms all week. I know, not a good excuse, but fuck it, who cares? It's the end of the day, unfortunately. The sun's going down, it's about 6 o'clock. Me and Ellie are here at the beach just enjoying the weather. Trying to get the last few minutes of sun in. Saying that, fairly burnt. Trying to get the last few minutes of shade in. But yeah, we're going to go enjoy it. So, catch you in a bit.
Our final day in Mexico. We're getting picked up in just a few hours to travel home, but before we do that we've decided to do some paddleboarding. So we're just gonna hire them out and see if we can stay standing up on the boards out at sea. Cancun review. Fucking amazing place.
Fucking amazing.
Just the weather was a bit shit for us, but we had a cyclone. But now it's beautiful today. Just completely soaked that couple and they gave you the dirtiest look when you did it. The beach now, gonna have a last little bit around the pool before we have to shower and get ready for our flight. We have loved it. Bye, adios.
Starfish it.
No.
Oh no, starfish it forwards.
Yeah.
It's been a blast. Mexico, you've done us proud for the past 2 days and actually given us some sunshine. So much so that I'm burnt and it stings, so well done. But we went to Xcaret, the park, camera wasn't working for most of the time, so didn't get too much footage, but I got to see the sea turtles and some baby sea turtles, so I'm pretty damn happy. Anyway, we have 20 to 24 hours of travelling coming up in the next probably 3 hours time, so not looking forward to that, but hopefully we'll catch some sleep on the plane back. But yeah, Mexico, you've been good. See you in a bit.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. Is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me?
Let's go. Hola.
So that's our plane. We are back in Manchester. It is apparently 17 degrees outside, not bad. But we are super duper tired. It's 2 a.m. in
tired,
Mexico. And we probably won't get back till 12 o'clock, maybe later, to Nottingham.
Probably later than an hour.
Yeah, so by that time, what will it be then? Like 7 o'clock their time, 7 a.m?
In the morning.
So yeah, we are
We'll have been up
sleepy.
24 hours.
Yeah. Todd likes putting those facts out there.
Yep.
Pity us.
Oh god, don't say that.
But we've had an amazing time. And I can't wait to look back on all the footage.
We'll do that on the train. We'll sift through it all, take out all the shit.
There's a lot of shit.
There is a lot of Ellie chatting shit, but oh well. So we'll go through arrivals and then we'll try and get home as quickly as possible.
Thanks for joining us on our trip.
Bye!